Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to do just kind of a quick review for you guys on the GRILLS wood pellet grill smoker. I hadn't seen too many reviews on it, so I thought I'd just kind of give you guys my 2 cents, just kind of based off my experience and let you know what I thought about it in case you were thinking of getting one. Should mention real quick too that I actually found a pretty good deal on this grill, and I'll put a link below in the description so you guys can check that deal out if you're interested in picking one up for yourself. Okay, so let's get this kind of straight off the get-go. This is pretty much an obvious kind of copy of the Traeger wood pellet smokers. In terms of design and finish, it's almost exactly the same. In fact, the grill covers for the Traeger 22 series actually fits this perfectly. And if you really want to know the difference between this grill and the Traeger, honestly, a couple $100. That's about it. And that's the beauty of this grill. You're basically getting a Traeger quality grill for much less money. This thing works great, it's extremely accurate, and I've gotten very, very good results with it. If you're kind of new to wood pellet grills, the beauty of them and why they work so good is it takes all the guesswork out of smoking. You'll get extremely good results with this because the temperature can be controlled by a computer inside automatically. So you're always maintaining plus or minus about 5 degrees, an exact temperature inside your grill/smoker. And when you can control the temperature that accurately, you always get perfect results. So if you're new to grilling or new to smoking, these things are perfect. They take all the guesswork and all the years of becoming a master, pit master, whatever you want to call it, and just make it super simple for the average consumer to get excellent results with their grills. It comes with a very nice sized 513 square inch grilling area, and the wood pellet hopper will hold about 20 pounds of wood pellets. Now you can get different wood pellets based on like what kind of like flavor you want. They make mesquite, hickory, all sorts of different ones. And one thing I had initially thought about this unit is they probably give you a really cheap grate, because that's usually what happens. Like the grill's fine, but the grate itself, they usually cheap out on it. But I'm happy to report that they give you a very, very good quality porcelain coated cast iron grate with this. I was really impressed with the build quality of it. It's just a great grill, and honestly, the only difference between this and the Traeger is a few $100s. So in my opinion, save yourself the money, get the Z-Grill, and make the best kind of meat you've ever smoked in your life. Anyway, if you have any more questions about it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.